Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are doing good today. I want to go ahead and thank you in advance for watching my video. I really appreciate it. So today I'll be going over a couple different things. I'll be going over some information about credit and how to get your credit repaired. I'll also be letting you know how you can simply retire early by helping people and how you can earn additional income from the comfort of your home. So let's go ahead and get started. My name is LaTrisha Adams. I'm one of the field trainers here with the company Financial Education Services. I started the business in February of this year, but I've been working on credit since last summer. So I'm really passionate about what I do. Anyone that knows me know I love helping people. And then two, I get to see the impact that it's making in their lives. So a little about me. I'm a single mom of four, also an MBA graduate. And so 2 years ago, I decided to leave Columbus, Georgia to come here to Atlanta, Georgia, following my career. Less than 90 days on this job. I'm fired out of nowhere, right? Left with, trying to figure out either I'm going to go back to Columbus feeling defeated or do I want to just stay here, find a job, and stick it out? So I wasn't about to go back to Columbus. So I went ahead, started applying for jobs and everything here. A month rolled by, still no job. A month and a half, I was finally able to get a gig working at a call center here in Kennesaw. Really wasn't making anything that much. So I was happy to have a job, but on the downside, I'm like, okay, here we go again, sitting in this Atlanta traffic. I'm having to waste all this gas. I'm having to pay daycare, nanny fees, all these things on barely any income. So I was grateful and everything, but still, it just really just blew me. And so pretty much from that point, like I said, I was out of work for a month and a half. So, think about it. If you're really making anything and you're the only income in your household and you're a month behind on your bills, a month and a half behind on your bills at that, you can really never catch up, right? And so those things, they started to resurface itself and real life situations started happening to me. Services got disconnected. Evictions happen, repos happen, may have even went without some food sometime. All these different things happen. And so it really messed with me, about who I was and who I was as a mother. But, I just had to really focus on the things that I could control and the things that I could manage. And so, like I said, I didn't really handle those things because I only was able to worry about what was in front of me. I couldn't take care of my past debt. So all of these things hit my credit. And when it hit my credit, it hit it in a major way and it brought it on down. And so, let's fast forward to the end of last year. I'm doing good, financially. I was able to get me a place. I had me a car and I was able to get me a truck. But when I got my truck, my down payment was insane. My interest rate was 28% and my monthly payments were insane as well. And so, I couldn't help it. I had to get the truck because I really needed it. But when I walked away from there, I was like, gosh, like I really need to go ahead and do something to take care of my credit. And so fast forward to February of this year, I'm just scrolling on Instagram as normal, and I see one of my business partners from my hometown. He's talking about credit and talking about his posting his different customer results and things, and just talking about how the company changed his life. So I'm like, wow, I need to reach out to this guy to find out what he's doing. And so I reached out to him. He gave me a call. He went ahead and gave me all the information that I needed. And I went ahead and got signed on with the business. The same night that I got started, I was able to get customers. So I'm already getting paid. So I'm excited about this already, right? And then within a 5-month time frame, I was able to see my own credit go from the low 400s to the low 700s. So I'm uber excited about this because I'm making money. I'm able to see that the services and products, they really do work. And so, I'm just extra excited about this. And it just really does it for me, you guys. It was life changing for me. And so that's why I'm here today presenting this to you guys to let you know, yes, things happen, situation happens. That doesn't mean that you have to get stuck in those situations. So that's why I'm here to let you know you don't have to get stuck and saying, oh, it's just too much debt I owe. I'm just going to be stuck with this for the rest of my life. Or, oh, I'm going to have bad credit for the rest of my life. Well, no, that's not going to happen. We have a solution here for you today. And we have a business opportunity here today to let you help change some things in your life. So I'll go ahead and get started with the presentation. So again, my company is Financial Education Services. And I got a few questions for you guys. How many people do you know with less than perfect credit? Well, let me give you guys some statistics here. It's about 43 million people out there with a credit score of 599 or below. That's a lot of people with credit issues, meaning a lot of clients, right? So, how many people that you know that do not have their financial affairs in orders? You guys, there are more than half of Americans, they don't even know their credit score. So, if they don't know their credit score, most likely their financial affairs are not in order, right? How many people do you know that have debt but do not have a game plan or paying it off? The average debt is about $225,000, with many people having less than $500 in their savings account. The ratios, they don't add up, right? And so, just some more things, some knowledge to throw out there for you. Nearly two-thirds of Americans cannot pass a financial literacy test. 49% of people have no retirement, and only 18% of these people, they're on track to reach their income goals for retirement. Also, 65% of people do not have a will, 82% do not have a trust, and 71% does not have a trust or financial power of returning. And then I just want to also let you guys know, every 2 seconds, someone's life is being impacted by identity theft. All right, and so some more questions here that I have for you guys. How many people do you know that dislike their current job and they're looking for a change? Well, I do know there's over 100 million people that have jobs, but more than 70 million people, they rather not have a job. Sounds like a lot of people are fed up and tired, right? All right, so the next question that we have, how many people do you know that need to make more money? So I just want to let you guys know that based on a poll, 72% of people would prefer to be their own boss, but they don't know where to start or have the money to get started. And so last question, how many people do you know are not where they want to be in life due to their financial situation? That's a lot for most people. Money make things happen, and so people need that money to be able to take off with these businesses and to be able to, get everything they need so they can run successfully. And so, like I said, we have a solution for you here today. We have financial education services, you guys. And so I'm just going to give you, some insight about our company. Our company, it does offer different type of financial products. We do have a strong emphasis on credit restoration, though, but it's not the only service that we offer. Our company, it was founded in 2004 by our same two CEOs, Mike Toloff and Paramil Knight. The company is headquartered right here in the U.S. in Farmington Hills, Michigan. Our company has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. This is a rating that our customers helped us achieve, nothing that we paid for ourselves. Our company is completely debt-free and has over 100% in annual sales growth. This means year after year, our company is going and achieving over its bottom line. And a lot of companies are suffering because they're shutting down Verizon stores. They're shutting down all over because they don't have that money that they're needing to keep their business open and growing. All right, and so one of our missions here with the company, we want to go in and we want to educate you guys on credit, and then we want to provide you guys with a unique and personalized experience, along with eliminating your burden of your financial problems and setting a plan of action for you so that way you can get it taken care of so you have a peace of mind in your future. So with FES, what we provide services that protect your credit, your identity, your family, and your finances. And so also, like I said, we have a lucrative and life-changing business opportunity that I'm gonna cover shortly. So some of the services that we offer with the FES protection plan, we have the credit attorney, we have smart credit, we have the financial lockbox, we have the online shipping discounts, we have the prescription discounts, we have the healthcare plans, we have the term life insurance. All of these different services are available, and they come with our protection plan. And so, you guys, I just have, some more information on here for you to let you know the cost of bad credit. Your credit is constantly monitored, and it can pack everything from your interest rate to your insurance premium. So if you ever wonder why your insurance is so high, or why when it's time to renew your insurance is so high, because guys, they're checking your credit. And so without a strong credit score, you can be denied the ability to rent or purchase, to obtain a credit card. And it can even be used when you're being considered for employment. Yes, some jobs are looking at your credit score before they hire you on. And then also, a low credit score can cost you hundreds and thousands of dollars over the course of your lifetime. So just some more information here. Your credit score, how it's broken down. So 35% of your credit score is your payment history. So this concerns like paying your bills on times and things of that sort. So before you decide to make a late payment on your car note or your home mortgage or any of those things like this, think about it. It can knock your score down anywhere from 50 to 100 points. That's a lot of points to recover from. And then if you ever made any late payments, try not to make any more. Try to pay them on time. The other 30% of your credit score is considered of the amount of your credit that you're using. So say for instance, if you have a $10,000 credit card limit, that doesn't mean you go out there and use the whole $10,000, guys. You only want to stay within 30% of that usage, okay? That helps everything stay good with your credit. It looks really good and it helps build your credit too. Another 15% of your credit score is your length of credit. This means your old and your new accounts and the average of them. So you don't want to go out and get too many accounts, and you don't want to be closing your old accounts. I understand some people, they try to eliminate their credit cards altogether. But if you have a credit card that you've been having for 4 years, you might as well keep it open and just stay using that 30%. So that way, that can still be a 4-year account that's counting towards your credit score. All right. And then 10% of your credit score is your new credit. So, like I said, you don't want to go out and have too many new accounts on your credit. You just want to have an overall balance of more than one thing going there. And then the other 10% is the type of credit you use, credit cards, different things of that sort. And so, I want to go into some information about some of the common myths that you hear about credit. So the first myth that we have here, credit agency are empowered to some type of governmental authority. Well, you guys, that's false. They have no legal authority at all. The second one that we have, credit agencies are required by law to keep derogatory items on your credit report for 7 to 10 years. Well, you guys, just to be honest, there's no law for credit agency report anything on your credit at all. But they are required by law to remove all derogatory items older than 7 years, like student loans and more. But in the case of bankruptcy, 10 years. Okay. So, yeah, these things can be taken off. Don't let them trick you or fool you any longer. So, number 3, information on your credit report. It cannot be changed. It's illegal or immoral. And to have this information altered or removed. Guys, this is false. Based on the Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971, there are federal and state laws that require that items be removed if they're not 100% accurate or if they cannot be verified in a timely manner. Guys, this timely manner is 30 days. If they do not verify in 30 days, these items are removed off your credit. All right. And so another one of the common myths that we have, paying a past due debt remove this item from your credit report. No, that's why I tell everybody, don't pay it. What are you paying it for? It's not going to change anything off of it. Just because you pay it doesn't mean that it's going to change or erase the fact that one time you were paying it late. So can this record be changed? Yes, absolutely. We can get that changed for you. And then the last myth that we know of. It says inquiries are not derogatory and they will not affect my credit standing. Well, you guys, this is false. Anything that erodes your financial ability is damaging your credit standing. And so in case of inquiries, 1 or 2 are fine. But once it gets more than that, it begins to tell a story of its own, and it makes it look like you're desperate for credit. But with the Fair Credit Reporting Act, these items, they can also be disputed off your credit. So don't let no one tell you that your inquiries got to stay. They can be taken care of and removed. All right. So with our company, we have the United Education Services. So like I said, we've been around for 14 years. We've closed over 1 million derogatory items, that's been removed off customers' accounts. Our business is heavy. We have a heavy emphasis on customer involvement. So we want our customers' involvement with each step of the process. That's why we give you guys a customer portal. This portal allows you to see your credit score. It allows you to see your items that are on your credit. It allows you to also see your progress report, like what items were disputing and what items have been deleted off your credit. You get to see all of these different things. We also help you understand your dispute letters. We educate you on your credit. We help educate you on establishing your credit. And then we also educate you on debt and collections and student loans and, senior information like retirement. And then also, with our company, we have a live customer support team, so you can reach us and talk to us on the phone. They're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. All right, and so like I said, with our company, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, it gives you the right to investigate and dispute any type of negative items that are on your credit. So what we do, we step in and we help you identify and challenge these inaccurate, erroneous, or obsolete items off of your credit. This includes late payments, collection, bankruptcy, judgment, foreclosure, any type of public records, settlements, or personal information. These items can be taken care of. All right. And so some of the services that we offer with our company, we have the My Care plan. This includes your trust, your will, your power of attorney. And so if you were to go out anywhere else and get this, you'll be spending over $5,000. With our company, it gives you that for a portion of its cost. And with our company, you don't have to worry about any type of add-on or surprise charges. You get unlimited updates. So that means you can change it as much as you need to, as much as it's required to. But think about it. If you were to go somewhere else and get this, you would have to pay every time you have to change that, okay? So this is developed by our attorney, so you don't have to worry about if it's done correctly or not. We know it's done correctly. And then also with it, it allows you to log in to our secure website 24/7, where you can go in and complete these documents and manage them from anywhere, whether you're home or in the office. And so, like I said, guys, life is really precious these days, and you really don't know when your time is. So this just allows you to go in so that way, so you can prepare for your future, your finances, and your family. You want to be taken care of. You don't want your family out there struggling, trying to figure out what to do or what wishes you wanted for yourself. So just take advantage of this and, get this taken care of. Some of the other services that come with the FES protection plan. We have Credit Builder. This goes ahead and it goes in and allows you and educates you on different ways to build your credit. Like one of the tips that we have as far as your credit card, like I said, stay within that 30% of your credit card usage. And then also, you guys, what you want to do is make 2 payments. You want to make a payment 15 days before the due date, and then you also want to make a payment 3 days before your due date. This goes ahead and lets them know that you're on top of yourself, and then it goes ahead and boosts your credit score. So another one of the services we have is the credit attorney. The credit attorney, it goes in and it allows them to go in and fight for you for hard remove items, or if you're being harassed by your creditor and debtors, they go in and get this taken care of for you. Now, if you would have went elsewhere to get a credit attorney, you'll be spending, anywhere from $250 an hour for a credit attorney. And so with our company, we go in and we allow you to get this service, and we get the lawyers to go in and just fight for you. All right. Another one of the services that the company offers is the credit monitoring. This goes ahead and allows you to get, that full monitoring of your credit. You get to go in and you get to, see what's going on with you. You get alerts, anything that's going on with your credit. Also, it allows you to put all your things conveniently in one place. So say, for instance, if you want to put your bank account information, your credit card information, all in one place, you can do so, and it'll show you all of your transactions. If you want to go in and add your student loan and your bills in there, you can do so. That way, it'll send you over notices when your payment are due, and it'll let you keep track of everything in that one area. Some of the other services that we offer is the FES Debt Zero. This goes ahead and allow us to go in and analyze your biggest bills and lets you break them down into monthly payments to help you get them paid off quicker and faster. And so another one of the services that we offer is LifeLock. This is your identity theft protection, you guys. Like I said earlier, every 2 seconds, someone's identity is being stolen. This also happened to me with the Equifax breach. My information was compromised, and it helped destroy my credit even more. And then just last weekend, I got an email about Macy's. They said some customers personal information, their sensitive details was leaked. So, again, take control, take advantage of these services. Next, we have financial lockbox. Financial lockbox, it allows you to go in and store all of your financial matters, like your life insurance policy, your car insurance policy, your bank policies, your account numbers. All these different things can be stored conveniently in the financial lockbox. And that way, if anything happens to you, it also goes to the elected beneficiary that you want it to go to. So that way, they're not looking through stacks of paper or boxes or safes and different things of this sort trying to find your information. It's all located conveniently in your financial lockbox. Some of the other services we offer is the prescription discount card, where you can save anywhere from 10 to 85%. We have travel discounts. We have cash back for online shopping. Also, we have the YFL Online Family Mint Program. It goes ahead and lets us educate the children across the U.S. on financial literacy. Also, we have health insurance, where you can go in, you can compare different plans and rates to go ahead and see like what you can be saving, and you can go ahead and enroll in those too if you want to. And then one of our benefits that we have just for our FES agents, a term life insurance policy up until $100,000, you guys. This is amazing because this goes ahead and give you that life insurance that you need, so that way it's nothing that you're worrying about anymore. All right. And so, just like I spoke on, the Youth Financial Literacy Foundation, what this foundation does, like I said, it goes in and it allows us to educate students on financial literacy in the schools across America. And we educate young people anywhere from the age of 8 to 18 on the matters of personal finance. Another thing that our company does to give back, we donate $2 from each protection plan to this foundation. We also give annual college scholarships. Just last year, we gave $250,000 to a young lady. She came to our Las Vegas convention. We presented this to her in front of her mother, and it allowed her to where she can go to school. She doesn't have to worry about how she's going to pay for her education, nor do she have to worry about any student loans hunting her once she graduates. So this is definitely something that I wish was around, while I was in school, because I would have been definitely, happy to take advantage of this as well. All right. And so, like I said, you guys, this FES Protection Plan membership, it covers all of those services that I just named for you guys for one cost of $89 a month. And then also, when you first start, it's a one-time activation fee of $99, you guys. So your total starting cost would be $188. And then once your 30-day billing period passes by, it'll be another $89, following the next month. And it'll just go from there. It's no type of cancellation fees, you guys, and it's no contract. So you use the services as long as you need them, and then after that, you're good and you're done. And so some of the additional services that are sold with us, like I said, being with our protection plan, it allows you to get a will, trust, power attorney with a MyCare plan for a percentage of its cost, 10% of what it normally would cost if you would go out there and get one. Also, our company has the credit monitoring and the identity theft. These are included in the protection plan for no charge, but if you want to buy them as single services, you can definitely do so. Also, we have merchant services and the credit analyzer. And one of the good things that we have is the secured card. This allows you to go ahead where you can deposit, about $200 or as much as you would like onto this card. And it allows you to establish your credit so that way you can build a positive trade line for yourself. With this card, what it does, they know you need help with your credit. So they're going to help you to get this card so that way you can get your credit taken care of. One of the other services that we have to build your credit is called Credit My Rent. Credit My Rent, what it does, it goes in, it takes our biggest bill, right, which is rent, whether it's for a house or apartment. It goes in and it converts that rent payment into a mortgage payment, you guys. So it goes in, just like myself, like I said, I utilize almost every service that our company offers. So right now I have 10 months of rental history counting on my credit as a mortgage payment. And so pretty much what it also did, it gave me a boost on my credit score altogether. So you guys definitely take advantage of your biggest expense and get it on your credit, okay? So here's the part that we all been waiting on, the lucrative business opportunity that I was telling you guys about. So as being an agent, pretty much what you do, you obtain personal clients and you expose people to the FES protection plan and the other services that we offer. You also establish accounts. This can be corporate accounts with real estate agents, bankers, car salesmen, things of this sort. Establish accounts with them because they do have heavy leads that they work off of. They meet people day in and day out with bad credit, so they can definitely help you. Also, we help you develop your business. We educate you on how to recruit, train, develop, and manage your own team nationwide, you guys. So I got a question. How many people do you know that have control of their income, their schedules, their advancement, their benefits, their retirements, and their future? Most people you won't find that in one job, okay? But with FES, we have that here for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and give you some information about it, some juicy details. So with our company, with the FES protection plan, every customer that you help and get started with the protection plan, you can earn $100 in commission per customer, you guys. This is easy money. Say, for instance, you go out there and you get 3 customers, that's $300, you guys. All right. And then on top of that, the companies give you a $12 per month residual income. Every month your customer renews, that money adds up there for you. So think about it. If it's a $12 residuals and you have 5 customers, that's $60 a month for not doing anything. Let's take it a step further. If you guys have 10 customers, it just goes on up from there. And so this is money that you're getting every month by just simply helping people, and they're renewing their services every month. Okay. All right. And so, like I said, it's no limit to the number of customers. Get as many as you want, you guys. Okay. So one of the big emphasis that our company has is called Strive for Five. So with Strive for Five, you get 5 customers, 5 agents, whatever, combination of 5. Once you get these 5 people, your services are completely free. So that $89 a month that customers are paying, you don't have to worry about that at all. And so let's think about it. If you did 5 protection plans per month, that's $500 per month. That's gas money or something, takeout money or something for somebody, okay? Let's think about it this. If you get 5 per week, that's $2,000 per month. You're looking at some good part-time income at this point. What about if you get 10 protection plans per week? That's $4,000 for the month, guys. Some people not even making this on their jobs right now, okay? And they're working probably 40 to 60 hours a week. And then what if you get 20 protection plans for the week? That's $100,000 per year, you guys. This is where everybody wants to be, where they have a 6-figure salary. And so we can definitely help you get to that level, okay? And so with our company, so you guys, not only do they give you the commission for your customer, the residuals for your customer renewing, they give you another bonus. So let me explain this bonus. So the customer acquisition bonus, pretty much how it works. So, like once you go in, say for instance, I have 2 agents, Billy and Sue. So let's say I help Billy and Sue each get 2 customers. Once I help them get these 2 customers, the company says thank you and they give me this bonus. Now, you guys, this bonus, it ranges anywhere from $100 to $550. Now, you guys, with our company, the biggest leap in the compensation plan is the sales director title. At that level, you get a $380 per every business partner that you help. And so, guys, think of it at this point. This is nothing that's paying monthly. It's paid weekly. It's paid weekly to you guys, all right? And so this is some serious money that you can be making. And like I said, these bonuses, they range anywhere from $100 to $550. And so with this, I mean, you can easily give yourself a raise in no time by just helping your team, and they can help you achieve these bonuses. You get paid to these different unlimited levels. And like I said, you get paid these weekly. And each one of these different ranges in our company, these different rankings in our company, they're all held by someone right now. So this is money that they're currently making in the business. All right. And so just give a certain scenario, So say for instance, you are a sales director and you're making that $380 bonus a weekly just by helping your team. And you have agents and, field trainers out there everywhere and they're building their team and just, adding on for you guys, by doing this in just these bonuses, you can make about $5,000 in just these bonuses. So let's take a step further. Okay, what if you did this once a month? Okay, so we know that's $5,000 for the month. But what if you did this once a week? That's $20,000 for the month in just bonuses. All right. And what if you did this twice a week? That's $40,000 in bonuses, you guys. And like I said, these are just your bonuses for helping your other teams. This is not your residuals or your commission for your customers. Okay. All right. And so, like I said, our company has a strong structure on Strive for Five, whether it's 5 agents or customers. As soon as you get this 5, like I said, your protection plan is completely free. And if you think about it on this level, like once you're going in and you're adding more people to your team and everybody is doing the Strive for Five, it lets things duplicate quicker. Go from 5 to 25, 25 to 125, and it goes on up from there. And so, with all of these protection plans, if you're following this system and you're doing this structure here that we're educating you on, this can be your 5-year retirement plan. And so, think about it on this level. If you follow this all the way to the T, you can have potential earnings of anywhere of $75,000 a month. But let's say you don't, get it 100% correct. You get it partially right. That still can help you earn $7,500 a month. And then say, for instance, you don't even take it serious. You barely do anything. You probably get a customer a month or whatever the case it may be. You still have a potential earnings of $750 a month. So you guys, just definitely take advantage and soak everything in. All right. And so here we go, the Rest and Relaxation and Retirement Club, the R&R Club. So what the company does, when you go out and you help your business partner build your team, the company says thank you. And it has some perks, you guys. It has some perks. So one of the first perks, you and your team, you get about 500 customers, right? Protection plans, all on your accounts, right? And so it's not that many either, guys. When you break it down, if you have 5 people out here just doing the business, just break it down on that level, and that'll help you get to your 500 quicker. It's quicker to get to a goal when you're working with a team than working by yourself. So the first level of this club, the company goes in, it gives you a $600 monthly auto payment. And you get a choice of a Mercedes, a Cadillac, or an Audi. You guys, this is insane, right? But I can't wait to go pick my Audi off the lot. And so the second level, the company gives you a one-time bonus of $10,000 to do what you please with it. And then the third level, the company goes ahead and it doubles your auto expense allowance. It gives you $1,500. And then at this point, you can either add a second car, you get your wife a car and be his and hers, whatever the case may be, or you can either use the money to go ahead and pay off your first car quicker, whichever one you choose. And then the fourth level, the company gives you a $25,000 one-time bonus. And then the fifth level, you guys, the company goes in, it gives you a $5,000 monthly house payment. And it gives you a Bentley upgrade, you guys. This is like awesome. They're paying for your house. And then some people may be like, oh, wow, I don't have a $5,000 house. That's too much for me. Well, still, if you don't have a $5,000 house, that money can go through your premium to get your house paid and taken care of quicker. And then with this Bentley, one of our top leaders, Nicole Smith Jackson, she's driving around right now in this Bentley, you guys. So these things are definitely achievable. And so also with the next level, the sixth level, you get a one-time $50,000 bonus. The next level after that, you get a monthly retirement bonus up to $25,000. And then the last level, the last 3 levels, you get anywhere from $100,000 to $250,000 in monthly retirement bonuses. So the company is really taking care of you just by simply helping others build their team and by helping others get their credit taken care of. So you guys, I got a question. Who's going to be next for the R&R Club? Who's going to be next with their Audi or their Mercedes or their Bentley? Who's next, you guys? All right. And so one of the things our company does do too, they have these conventions, you guys, these different training seminars. So just next week, we're having a convention in Orlando where they're going to go ahead and train us and celebrate us. And then we also have, another big major one coming up in our regional one coming up in February in Las Vegas, you guys. So we have different things that the company does to show their appreciation, to celebrate us, to give out those annual college scholarships and different things of that sort. So you guys, definitely, we're here to celebrate you. All right, so you guys, to get started and to become an agent with us, the initial investment is $288. That's a one-time $199 enrollment fee, and then the $89 for your FES protection plan membership to get your credit restored and all those different services that I mentioned earlier. And so, but remember, like I said, you get 5 people, 5 customers, 5 agents, whoever, get 5, and those services are completely free. And so at this point, that $89 goes away, and you're only, actually spending $199 to work a free business. So you guys, I actually just look at it that way. Like, this is a $9.8 billion industry, and you're only in the end paying $200 for it. You guys, what have you invested in that you've gotten your money back yet? Think on that one, okay? And so when you sign up as an agent, you get a business in a box. Just put your picture on it. And so what comes with it, you get your own personalized sales website for other customers and agents to sign on to. You also get access to an online training platform, the Success with FES. You also get a full tracking system. This is for your agents and your customers, so that way you can see what your agents are doing at all times, and you can see what's going on with their customers, like how many items we're disputing and how many letters we sent out for them. Also, you get access to conference call trainings. We have these, Monday through Friday calls to train you and different overview calls. We also have meetings via Zoom, so that way we can give you a live presentation. We also have in each city, different cities around the country, we have presentations in your city, so we can definitely get you set up to get you there, so that way you can get the full overall view of everything. And so we also have professional marketing material. So that way, if you want to go in there and get business cards, or you want to get flyers or magnet for your cards, you can get all of these things in your business office, you guys. And to top it, we get paid weekly. You can set it up whether you want to get paid by a check or direct deposit. It's completely up to you, but however it goes, we get paid Thursday. And like I said, you get your credit fixed while doing this. This is the only business that I know that will pay you and fix your credit for you. It happened for me, and I'm just so overjoyed that I got started. And then on top of that, you get up to $100,000 in term life insurance, guys. This is something, one of your expenses that is taken off. You don't have to even worry about it anymore, because guess what? The company is taking care of that for you. And so, like I said, we have an online trainer portal, Successful FES. What it does, it goes ahead and it lets you know like what to do during your first week. You also get a quick start of what to do to jumpstart your business. And then you get a video library. It goes ahead and teaches you and breaks down everything about the business in sections. So that way you can be successful and launch your business. And then, like I said, you'll have access to everyone, including myself, and my different uplines. So that way they can assist you with the business as well. All right. And so, like I said, the business is about exposing people. It's people out there. I said it's 43 million people out there with bad credit. So it's people out there. So we just have to expose them and let them know about the services, let them know what we do it, and let them know that it is affordable. So you guys, who do you know with less than perfect credit? Who do you know that doesn't have a will, a trust, or a power of attorney? Like I said, you guys, you need to have this in order so that way your family and your affairs and your future is protected. And so who do you know that has debt that would benefit for a system that will allow them to pay it off quicker? Um, who do you know that works in a credit related industry? They can be real estate, mortgage, auto, banking people. Who do you know? Again, these are your corporate accounts. Who do you know that's looking for a part-time or full-time income? You guys, I started off part-time and now I'm completely full-time doing the business. Um, who do you know that's frustrated with the current career and need a change? I'm pretty sure it's dozen of people out there that wants to change, because just like those polls I told you earlier, so many people out there that prefer not to have a job at all, just because of everything that comes with it, having to wait into traffic, having to deal with, insubordinate people and all these things of that sort. So, it's definitely a lot of people out there that need to change. Who do you know that wants to become financially free? That should be everybody raising their hand at this point. And so, like I said, with the businesses exposing new people, you're just exposing people to the business. That's it, as a new agent. And so, this can be your family members, your friends, your co-worker, your classmates, your associates, whoever. Expose them to the business. Let them know about the different services that we offer. And then, what you'll do, you'll edify us, the expert. We know the business. We're credible. They're probably going to respect us more because any question they ask us, we can answer it for them. And so that's all you do. You get your people, you bring them to us, and we go ahead and educate them on everything that they need to know. And then guess what happens? They get signed up under you, you get paid for it, they get taken care of. Just that simple, you guys. And so, like I said, are you guys ready for success with FES? Like, I want to know. I really want to know. All right, so I got a question. Like, what is your level of interest? Like, what do you want to do? So, one, either you already have, excellent credit, your financial affairs are already in order, and you love your current job. Well, congratulations on that. That is amazing, awesome. It's really hard to have all those things taken care of. But since you do, you can be a referral for us. We can set you up to be a referral source so that way we can still get your family, friends, and whoever taken care of. Okay, or so number two, you're interested in the FES protection plan membership only. So you just want to get your credit fixed. You want to take advantage of LifeLock, the MyCare plan, all these different things. So we can get you enrolled with these things. Just let us know. We'll get you taken care of. Or you want to get the FES protection plan and you want the financial opportunity. So this is, you want to be an agent and a customer like me. Okay, like I'm all for that. We can get you enrolled and get you all started so that way you can make some serious income doing this business. All right, so you guys, I want to go ahead and welcome you to the FES family. Like, we can't wait to have you guys on board. So again, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys found everything to be where giving you all the knowledge that you need to know about credit, about getting your credit repaired, about how you can just retire early by helping people, and how you can earn additional income from the comfort of your home. Again, to contact me, my name on Facebook is LaTrisha Adams. It's the same on Instagram and LinkedIn. My telephone number is 404-640-0260. And you guys, thank you again. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much again.